I think it's more important now than it's ever been, our relationship with the Steel Research Center and the university. Now that Dofasco has become part of a global corporation, and lots of people from around the world have come here and seen what McMaster has to offer. So there's a lot of questions about how we can be involved in longer-term breakthrough research. The automotive industry is our biggest customer, and what's happening in the automotive industry as they drive towards lighter vehicles, safer vehicles, they need materials which are stronger and meet higher tolerances to make them easier to manufacture. So the automation of the steelmaking shop, all of those things contribute to improving our chemistry control and delivering the kind of consistent, high-quality product that is a requirement to be in the automotive business. Most of our workforce here, our professional workforce at Dofasco Hamilton, comes from McMaster University. And certainly all our metallurgical engineers, almost without exception, came from McMaster. And the McMaster intensive courses, which run during the summer, are world-class courses that people from around the world come in coke making, iron making, steel making, casting, and having the Steel Research Center there and that critical mass of expertise allows them to deliver these courses and pull in an international audience. And that also helps our local people because they can go, close by and get world-class training.
There exists a great relationship between the Steel Research Center and the steel company ArcelorMittal Dofasco, and it's a great benefit to the students. My focus is on trying to develop sensors and mathematical models to try and improve the situation here at Dofasco. You have a vessel, about 165 tons, that contains molten steel, and that's where steelmakers can add or remove elements from the steel. So the focus of my research was to try and develop a control system that they could use or that would improve that operation. So the project really has two elements. There's the computer side of things. There's trying to develop the mathematical models that will enable us to predict and to better explain what's happening during the refining process. And the other part of it was trying to do the experimental work at Dofasco. I think what I enjoyed most was the fact that it was so applied, right? That I was in the plant, I was working, I was able to get my hands dirty. And it wasn't just sitting behind the computer, just typing away and doing some sort of esoteric piece of work. It was a great learning experience, because I think as a young engineer, that's really what you're after, is to get those life experiences.